Good morning. I know you're excited. You are at day 7 of your 7-day fast track, and I hope that you have gotten a great foundation this week of how Shibboleth works as a lifestyle. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle, and I do pray that you embrace it as that. So here's today's little assignment, and I want you to take the test, pass the test, and earn your first badge today. So I would like for you to watch videos number 12, 13, and 14. Those are the last 3 videos. And then I want you to make your nightstand rules. The nightstand rules are listed out of what to do in this post and in one of the videos as to why you would want to create nightstand rules. Feel free to share those if you would like. It does encourage other people. Check out all the support options on the website and make sure that you have joined all of the Facebook groups that you can be a member of. I have most of those linked to this group, so just find that and ask to be a member. And if you haven't started or haven't created a Getting Started mentor appointment, I highly suggest that you do that. There is nothing wrong with talking to a mentor just to solidify the information that you've learned this week and make sure that you are on the right track. I also want you to text the word Travis separately from the words My Jason, and My Jason has to be all together as one word. Text those separately from the word Kimmy. So it's 3 texts because you're having to text those words separately. Text those numbers to 31996 and you will be notified of when we go live or any important information that we have to say. Then I would love for you to comment below with a lean protein, a fibrous carb, and a fruit meal that you would like to eat. So that would be a category 1 plus 2 plus 5. And I also want to remind you that there's no adding or addition or calculating in this program. We just use the plus sign because you're just putting these foods together. It doesn't mean you have to add anything or calculate anything at all. So I want you to take the test, pass the test, and earn your first Shibboleth badge, the Fast Track badge. And then please comment on this post with a screenshot of your badge. And we want to congratulate you, and it reminds and encourages others to go ahead and earn that badge. But now that you've participated in this 1-week Fast Track group, if you want to remove yourself from this group, you can do that. I never go in and remove anybody from the group, but if you want to remove yourself from the group, you can, because you can get over notified about things these days, and it just can be stressful to get over notified. So if it were me, I would remove myself from this group. Now, here's the thing. If you feel like you didn't get everything that you needed from this group this week, stay in it again. Remove yourself when you get ready. But I don't go in and remove anybody, and I don't get offended when anybody removes themselves, because I totally understand it, and I want you to know that this is a 1-week group, and it will repeat itself every single week, the exact same thing. But you're going to get your ongoing support from the larger Facebook groups. But we want you to know that we're so happy that you joined the Shibboleth family. We love you very, very much, and we want to see you succeed. We want to see you living the best life that you can live, and I think Shibboleth is a part of that. So y'all have a great day.